So, what I think would be interesting is, Stefan, if you could talk a little bit about how it is that you integrated this within the environment.
Absolutely. So, we have this schematic shows the major components of ParallelWorks Activate and how we're able to keep things modular. The platform services, if you will, are in the top portion of the diagram, and that involves 3 nodes that are sort of a database node, the main service node that displays the web page, and then most importantly a user node that within it has these user workspaces that are like the containerized environment where users can launch workflows, where they can connect to resources, and where they can keep a centralized location for their files. And for the case for the Albert Einstein cluster in particular, is that these user workspaces they mount directly to the user's home directories on their cluster. So all of these nodes are on premises. You have to log in to get through a special connection to get to the on-premise environment. So all of this is isolated away, and fully integrated with the cluster file system. The user nodes, or the workspaces that the users have, connect to the cluster through SSH connections, and that's the very bottom part of the diagram is the actual the worker nodes, or like the high performance computing. That's where the numbers are being crunched and the simulations are being run. And right now, user workspaces are connecting directly to that cluster. They're submitting jobs to the Slurm queue, and they're using the resources. But this cluster, you can add cloud clusters right alongside it. So you can have multiple clusters connect back to the user environment.
Stefan, what I like about this architecture is its simplicity and the way that it's easy to sustain and is scalable. So I really appreciate understanding more about how you put this together.